All right, in this lesson, we're going to learn about the anatomy of a select statement. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we need to find a table to select against, or to read data against. You don't say to select against. So let's find a table to take a look at. And how about the customer table? So let's right-click on Dog, New Query, and now we've got our new query window. So what's the first word we're going to type? Select. As a DBA, you will type the word select more than any other word in the world. All right, so select means give me. All right, that's basically what it means, give me. Let's type an asterisk. That means all. I want all rows and all columns. All right. From what? From an object. From what object? Well, the majority of the time it's going to be a table. So let's say customer. And there is IntelliSense saying, hey, we can type that for you. So we arrow down, hit enter, and now what are we saying? Give me all rows and all columns from what object? This customer table. And that is it. This is all the rows, right? 4 rows, and all the columns in that table. Well, okay, that's great. What if we don't want all the rows and all the columns? What if we just want the first name and last name? So let's take out the asterisk and type in LAST. So now IntelliSense helps us fill that in, and if you want, you can arrow it down to that and say OK. We need a comma as a separator between our columns. So give me the last name. Now I want the first name. IntelliSense again, we can arrow down to it. Give me the last name, the first name from customer. There we go. All right, let's move back and give me all again. I want everything. Now we're going to introduce a where clause. And the where clause helps us narrow down our result set. This thing down here in this pane is called a result set. So anytime we run a query, that's what this is up here. Anytime we run a query in this window, it should give us a result set if we've typed and done everything correctly. So where what? How about where? Let's see. Where item I T, and we can see the IntelliSense is showing the column, right? Let's toggle down to item, space, where item is equal to, all right, and we have to put single quotes around what we're looking for. So let's say we're going to look for OxyContin. Another close single quote. And now, what are we going to get? Well, give me all from customer where item name is OxyContin. If we execute this query, we should get one row because there is only one row down here with an item of OxyContin. And indeed, we do. So that is the very basic structure of a select statement.